Now, so I'm going over here. Let's create a new folder. Okay, so I'm creating a new folder. 7 p.m. Later. I'll just now. So just you have to give a command. Okay, go to terminal, new terminal, create a command and pm init a ai. Give this command and pm init playwright latest. Okay, give this command, guys. Now it will ask you Typescript, press enter. Give this command and enter. End to end, but just press enter. Wait out, yes, yes, it will install. Okay, done, guys. Do it fast. Now, now once you are done with it, now I will tell you a concept. See, first of all, I will write a program and I will tell you. Okay, just look what I am doing. Just look what I am doing. So I write a program in test folder. Just delete this. This is a sample program. This is an example. Okay. Fine. It is running two test cases. It is running two test cases. This is a sample example. It is running two test cases. Okay. If you want to run them, you can run them directly and npm test. It will run in background. Alright. TESTS. Sorry. What is that? Station. So just copy this command. I am giving example. example. Specs dot. See, I have given this in headed form. So why I have given this headed form, it will run in front of you. It will open the browser. It is very fast. You cannot see anything what is going on. It is just a sample which I am showing to you. Okay. Okay. So I have did it. So if you see over here, you will find why it ran six test cases. You can see it running six test cases. Okay. Reason is we have three browsers. It is working on three browsers. And if you look at the example.specs, there are two test cases. So two, three are six. If you remove this headed, if you remove this headed, it will run in background. It will run in background. Fine. You cannot see anything. It is running in background. So headed mode means it will run in foreground, else it will run in background. Clear till now. So you need to import this thing first of all. remember I told one class that export, import, we'll just look into it. So now I have to import. So in Java, if you remember, we used to take these things. Yeah, import we used to do. Okay. Selenium files and all this. In the same way, we need to import the things. So we are writing test cases and expect it the condition. So you will be importing through commands statements over here. Right? So here what I did, let me create a new program. I create a new program and I take this thing. What is it doing? It is creating test. Means you will be creating a test case. Expect means we can put a condition over there if we want. I am not putting. And what browser you want to run, give the browser name. Give the browser. So I want Chromium. Fine. Now if I want to create a test case, so test case always starts with keyword test. And there will be async. Remember async last class promises. Because we have to, our page will wait now. Where we use waiting condition, we need to use async. Remember I told yesterday. So I will be going to create a test case over here. Test. These are test cases. So I'm just demonstrating how we launch the browser. So demonstrate demo demo the context isolation. This is just a command. Okay. Just give it like this. Okay. Comma. Now async. We are creating a function, test function, arrow function I am creating. So async. Now it is done. So here in between you need to write your program. You need to write your program over. Okay. So now we have three things, remember. First, you need to launch the browser. That is the server of the browser. Remember, this is very important. First thing you need to do, launch the server of the browser. So how I launch? This server will not launch the browser. So I am showing you. If I go over here, see I will launched browser. Await Chromium dot launch. So what this will do? See if I run this program, I go over here and give its name as CHROME. Press enter. See, it is running three test cases. See, it doesn't launch anything. Let me give you headed mode. I give headed mode. CH. Okay, if I go over here, I just comment all these three. I want just one browser, so comment this. Put it like this, take it in, comment this. Save it now. Now let's run it. Now see, it doesn't launch. It launched the server of the browser. Got it? Now, once the server is launched, we need to launch its context. So how we launch the context? See, I will launch the context. Const context is equal to await browser dot new context. This will launch the context. Fine. Let's run it now. Now its context is launched. Now we need to launch the page. Okay, so I will go over here and give. You can directly launch the page also. Page is equal to await. Await we are giving because we need a time to wait for it. Context dot new. Save it. Let's see now it's ran and launch the page. Okay. Now I want us website should be launched in it. So how we launch a website? See, I am showing you. Go here. Say I want to launch Playwright. This website I want to use. So how can I launch it now? You have to copy the complete URL, remember. Go over here and give here. Await page dot go to. Okay. Let's wait for if I want to see you are not able to see it. It is working so fast. So I put a wait also. Await page dot wait. As it is running so fast, you cannot see. So I'm putting a wait here. Await page dot wait for timeout, and I give 2000 needs 2 seconds. Okay. Now let's run it. See, it will launch the browser. It will now show you the page. It will wait for 2 seconds and anyone, any question, anyone. This is very important. First, you have to launch browser, then context, then page. Remember this sequence. You can directly launch the page also, but I am showing you the sequence. Write it down. I will 2 minutes.
Abhinav,
Yes, yes.
Abhinav, when I'm writing the import step, I'm getting a error.
Which import?
Yeah.
Have you installed Playwright?
Yes, I could see happy hacking like that.
Yeah?
Yes.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah. 1 minute.
Share your screen. Please share your screen.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just sharing. Yeah. Um,
I cannot see your screen.
can you please accept? I'm connecting from the laptop also. Can you please accept? Uh, I'm waiting in a lobby. Yeah.
Yeah, share the screen.
Yeah.
Mhm. I cannot see screen.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Now, hopefully, you can see my screen.
Yeah? Hello? Isha, I cannot see your screen. Yeah, now it is coming. Still not seeing.
Okay.
Okay, we can connect because it is wasting everyone's time. You can ping me in the afternoon tomorrow. Yeah, you can ping me in the afternoon, fine? Because it is taking me, I think some issues there.
Yeah. Okay.
So now we have launched it. Everyone able to launch it. Now,
Yeah. Can you share your screen, Abhinav?
yeah, share. Mhm.
No,
Yeah.
your screen is
Now,
not
now
visible.
what I'm doing, so we are going to see there are some ways. See, some of you have done Selenium, or some of you have done multiple things. So there are some certain ways through which we can extract the elements. Okay. So there are some ways. So in this also, in Playwright also, we have some ways, like by label, like by placeholder, like by role, like by text, like by title, okay, XPub, CSS, IDs. So we are going to look at each and every. Okay, we are going to check each and every. So suppose if I go to a website, okay, try to look and you have to create it. If I go on this website, okay, um, so if I inspect it, see how I am doing. See how I am doing. Right click on it and inspect. Okay. You will see up this whole thing in a combined division. These are division. So everything in a page comes under this DOM. This is known as DOM. Okay, everyone, this is known as DOM and everything lies under it. So we are here. Okay, above it is this. More above I will go, it will come, it will. So as soon as I will go, it will start capturing more and more things. Okay, so this is the division under which this is coming from. So we have one thing, label is associated with it. You can see label. Okay, with this input box, we have a label associated with. So now I want to fill a information in it. So let's see with label. And if you check the password also, inspect, you will find it is under a division, and it is also having a label. So what I do, I go over here, I create a new program. So I create a new program, get by a label dot spec dot get by label spec dot. Okay, everyone, clear till now? Now I what I am doing, I am not doing any more things. You guys have to practice. I am just going to my Chrome program. I am taking it as it is. Why should I write code again and again? Okay. So you should have practice. Okay. I go over here, and now I what I want to do, I want to change this website. Okay. Because my website is changing. So go over here and give the website. I'll go over here and change the website. Now, now I want to find by label. Okay. We need to find by labels. So I'm on this page that it opened. Now I create a variable const user name input is equal to page dot. Now see it will show you get by label. Okay, just go and take the label. What is the label? Get by label user. Take this one. In the same way, I will be taking password also. Const password input is equal to page dot get by label and take the password. And what it is? Pass. So I got these both. So these are known as web elements. These are the elements which we got. We got the two web elements, username with report and none. Now I want to put some value in it. To enter any value, in Selenium we used to have sand keys, but here we have fill. So I go over here and give await user input dot fill and give say I give UA play right. Okay. And I need to give the password also. Await password input dot fill. And if I say testing and just wait for 2 seconds. Okay, because it will be very fast, you won't be able to see it. So I'm putting 2 second delay over here. This is a delay. We are manually given. So now let's run it with label first. Go over here and give get. See, it is not necessary you will get all these things. Get by label can be there, text can be there, either one, two things will be there. That's why we are learning many things, XPath, ID, CSS, because developers put one, two things. Okay. So I go over here and run it as a get by label. Okay, that's it launches the website. You go over here, see, 2 seconds it will wait and it writes. Anyone, any questions? You should have questions, let me know. But any issues you are facing. Question, guys?
So
Okay, write it
unlike
down.
Selenium, we don't have something like web drivers and all that for Playwright.
Random, we don't have.
Unlike Selenium, we had web drivers and all that stuff, right? For
We
launching the
don't.
browser.
We don't. No, no. So I remember in the first class I told,
Mhm.
when we studied about the structure of the playwright, I told you we don't have driver concept here. It is a web socket concept. It has a direct communication. Okay,
Okay.
so it has a direct communication with the browser. We don't have to set up any web driver over here. Anyone, any question? Write it out.
Abhinav, can you please let me know the inspect of username? which tag you have taken while inspecting?
Okay. So if you see, if I go over here, you can see right click over here, inspect it. Fine.
Yes.
So you can see this is a division. This is a complete division. Can you see? So in this division, we have input also and label also. If in a division, remember what I'm saying. If in any division, you have a label and input both. So they are always associated. So here these both are associated. It is not necessary you will have it everywhere. But if in a division, label and users are in a single division, then they are always associated. So here also password, they are associated. Got it?
Okay, so we have taken from the label tag with the visible text, right?
Yes, this one. Yes.
Ah,
And this one. Got it? Yeah, Nisha, got it?
yes, thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Write it down. I'm giving you 5 minutes. No issues. Okay. Now, now the next one I'm showing you. See, this is very actually is not available most of the sites I have seen. There is something known as alt text. Alt text. I also need to find it out. See, many things I have to need to find out myself because Playwright was a new tool and everything was issues were there. Again, the initial class days. So if I go to this IPL T20, this is old thing, but I need the data. So if you see there is a logo, there is a logo over here. Fine. If you inspect it, okay, if you inspect it, you inspect this logo, you will find a alt text WPL logo. You find the alt text WPL logo. Okay. I want to find just I want to check whether this logo is available or not. If I inspect this also said, you will not find alt text over here. It is not having. Okay. If you see, if I go over here, Geo Hotstar. Okay, you can see alt Geo Hotstar alt text is there. I can click here also. So what I do, I'll do one thing. Let me do one thing. That is not going back. Okay. Okay. So I go over here and click on Geo Hotstar and take out it with alt text Geo Hotstar. Okay, let's do it. So I go to my program. I create a new program. Don't worry, I will do maximum 4 programs. Okay, 2 we have already done because I know these are first class of Playwright. It may not be easy. Get by alt text. Okay, dot spec dot ps. Okay, I create a new program. Sorry, spelling mistake. Spec dot ps. Okay, I go over here. I just take this program as it is. Okay, let's put this IPL thing here. Fine. Now, now what I do, I will first of all, let's take this in a variable. Let's take it in a variable. So I create a variable, say geo hot star. Okay, page, and it will be a get by alt text. So now I will be take get by alt text. So go over here. So get by alt text. And what is the alt text over here? It is geo hot star. Okay, go into it and fine. Now, now I have to click over it. Okay, so just go over here, Geo, or let's wait for 2 seconds. It will no Geo Hotstar dot. Okay, and let's wait for 2 more seconds whether it is going on that website or not. Okay, let's save it and try to run it. So I take it get by alt. Let's run it. What happened?
Get
Yeah.
by, you gave it us twice
Oh yeah.
in your.
Oh. Okay, now I'm running it. It is running. It opened it. 2 seconds it wait. It opened the Geo. Got it, guys? So we have taken a alt text which is embedded in it. Okay. So two locators I have seen. We have seen label and alt text. Write it out. Take it out. Okay. Get it out. Fine. Now next is get by placeholder. Let's make it as last one. Or second last, we'll check. Okay. So I make it get by placeholder dot dot get by placeholder. Fine. So I take it same code. I will show you. No issues. Fine. If let's open a website. So I go to say Reddit. Fine. I go to Reddit. Okay. Mm, let me go to login. Let me go to new get new ID. Okay. So here we are. So here you can see there is some already something written on it. Enter recovery email. If you inspect it, you will find it is a placeholder over here. Entry recovery email is a placeholder. Okay, if you check over here, it might not be here. It is here also. Okay. So here you can see already things are written. We have not typing, but these are the placeholders which are already available over here. So they go to this page. Let's wait for 2 seconds. Okay, let's wait for 2 seconds. Now what I do, I take out the placeholder for this recovery email. Okay. So I create a variable over here and create a variable for recovery email input. Okay, is equal to page dot get by page. Okay, and go over here and put a placeholder. So these are the different ways we are accessing our objects. Okay, so our see in testing also we have to do the same thing. Just click here, do these things. We are doing the same things. Now let me check, is this visible or not? So now I will show you the use of expect. Expect means a condition, true or false. Okay, expect means a condition, true or false. Is it visible or not? So I go over here, I get await, recovery email input, expect, explicit, recovery email input dot to be visible. So I'm checking is it visible or not. If it is visible, then enter the value in it. So how can I enter? Just fill, so await, recovery email input dot fill with the any email address you can give. Say exam dot gmid dot okay, and let's wait for 2 seconds. Save it, let's run it. So get by placeholder. While we are running it, it is waiting for 2 seconds. See, it will write, see, it read example.gmail. You can put it in username also, password also, everywhere. Got it or not? Yes or no?
Abhinav, you are using this to be visible method, method, right? Like to be visible. So that has to be given compulsorily.
What is the question? Can you please repeat?
You have given to be visible, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is mandatorily to be, we have to give
No,
that.
no. If you see, if you want to see, in our testing also, we need to check sometime that things are, this object is visible or not. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what it is doing. Is this object is visible or not? It is not necessary, but if you have the test case, then you have to write it out.
Okay. 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 Fine.
Okay. Write it out. Okay, guys. Do you want me to do one more program? Are you will be practicing this? Hello. You can give individual comments also.
Sure, we can try.
We can try one more, fine?
Yeah.
Well, write it out. Okay, guys. Now let's check something else. Let's take get by rule. Okay, let's go to take get by rule. Okay. So suppose let me on the same road side. So what is this? This is a button, guys. Everyone, this is a button. So what its role is? It's button. If you inspect it, its role is input type is button. Okay, so its role is button, and what is written over on it? Name is check availability. Okay, so I would like to click on this button. I would like to click on this one. So let me take get viral. Okay, so if I go over here and create a program, get, see, I am giving this small fun programs, man. We'll be creating the, this is for just knowing you that these are all the, but when we'll give the framework, everything we'll be using everything. Okay, in a single program, we'll be putting 10, 20 of this. Fine. So now let me take get by role. Fine. So I go over, I take same program. Okay. Now let's check it with get value. So const, it is a what type of button? Check availability. Okay. So const, I create a button check. Okay, I create a button which dot now get by, and the role is button. That is showing automatically. Now, now what is written on the button? So we have a name on it. We have a name over here. So I give name colon. What is the name of the button? Check availability is written on the button. Okay. You can just like put it like this, check CHECK availability. Okay, so I go over here, I write it out. Check AVAILABILITY. And it should be exact. It should be exact. So just give comma, exact, colon, true. Value should be exact. Okay. This is what I am checking. Now let me click on it. Check availability dot click. And let's wait for it. 2 seconds. It works fine or not. So save it and let's run it. So I go over here, get filter, get by role. So plan. See now it will click on the button. It failed, guys. Something wrong I have done. BUTTON is fine.
The name, Abhinav.
Yeah, C is capital over here. Okay, I gave it small. This is the mistake I did. Any mistake? If I didn't put exact is equal to 2, it might have run. See, it works. Everyone. So I take it by row. Okay, in our programs, we will see we will be taking out with URLs also. Okay, in the upcoming programs, we are using all these things. Fine. Any question in it? Any question? In interview, you have to tell about all this. But it is not so tough. One more program do you want me to write? Or is it done? Hello, everyone.
I am okay.
No, let go with everyone. Because for few people it might not be they haven't done the till of single program also. So no issues. Okay, write it out. I will be sharing the recording with you. I will be uploading today. My drive is full, so I will be uploading this recording on YouTube. Fine.